Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at finding horizontal asymptotes of a rational expression. So, we actually have three cases we're going to look at. So I'm going to write just a standard rational expression here, but I'm going to do it in a little bit of a long form. So an x to the n plus a n minus 1 x to the n minus 1 plus etc. plus a1 x plus a0 divided by bm x to the m plus b m minus 1 x to the m minus 1 plus etc. plus b1 x plus b0. It actually turns out with horizontal asymptotes, we're only going to care about the leading terms of the numerator and the denominator. But there are three cases that we have to deal with. N is less than m. N equals m. And n is greater than m. So, I'm going to start with the two real easy ones here, which are when n is greater than m, it turns out that we have no horizontal asymptote. And I mentioned in the last video I can never spell asymptote correctly, so something you will see me do frequently is abbreviate asymptote ASY. Also, pretty easy with horizontal asymptotes is when n is less than m. Then it's just x equals 0. Now, it is a little bit more complicated. I'm sorry, it's y equals 0. X equals 0 would be vertical. It is a little bit more complicated, but not too complicated when n equals m. Turns out that in this case, the horizontal asymptote is just y equals an over bn. So, we can take a look at a few examples here. You'll note that these are related. 4x over 2x squared plus 1. 4x squared over 2x squared plus 1. And 4x cubed over 2x squared plus 1. So the first one, the exponent or highest exponent in the numerator is less than the lowest exponent in the denominator. So we have the horizontal asymptote. I did it again. Horizontal would be y equals 0. The second one, we have the same highest power in the numerator and denominator. So both of them are 2. So we take a look at the coefficients on those. It's 4 over 2. So we get y equals 4 over 2, or 2, which we would just write as y equals 2. And then the last one, we have that the highest power in the numerator, or the degree of the numerator, is 3, and the highest power in the denominator is 2. Well, that, we said, is where we have no horizontal asymptote. So that will conclude this video, but in the next video we are going to take a look at a different type of polynomial that something like that would have.